Hi, and welcome to the battery shop. This Audi Rs5 12-volt battery is down here in the trunk. And so for that reason, we recommend that you check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure that you're familiar with the replacement procedure, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and effectively replace the battery in this vehicle. Here's how it's done. We're saving the computer's memories while we replace the battery by connecting a host battery to the jump posts under the hood. The first step is to unlatch and lift the trunk's floor panel. Next, remove the battery compartment's plastic cover. And then the tool tray. Next, with gloves and safety glasses on, release the plastic tabs for the control module and slide the control module bracket off of the battery hold-down bracket. Now we can loosen and remove the battery hold-down bracket bolts, and you'll need a 13mm wrench for that. And remove the battery hold-down bracket. Next, remove the battery's protective plastic cover. The next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for that. Then, remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Then, remove the positive battery terminal's protective plastic cover and loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable. Now we can remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. The next step is to carefully remove the vent tube from the side of the battery. Now, using your 13mm wrench, loosen the fastener for the battery hold-down bracket. And remove the battery hold-down bracket. And then we can remove the old battery from the vehicle. And install the replacement battery. Next, reinstall the battery hold-down clamp and retighten the fastener. Then reinstall the vent tube into the side of the battery and inspect the vent tube for any signs of cracks or damage. Next, reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal and retighten the fastener. Then reinstall the protective plastic cover. Now we can reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And retighten the fastener. Then reinstall the battery's protective plastic cover. Next, reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket and reinstall the fasteners. Now we can reinstall the controller. Next, reinstall the tool tray and the plastic cover. Finally, we can lower the trunk's floor, and we're done.